we are going to discuss the operations on rational algebraic expressions. So our objectives, at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to, so letter A, perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of rational expressions. Letter B, simplify rational algebraic expressions. And letter C, apply factoring techniques. So, in simplifying rational algebraic expression. Okay, so today, my task is to discuss to you addition and subtraction. So, let's start with addition of rational expression with common denominator or yung tinatawag nating similar or like terms. So, for example, we have number 1. Take a look at the given. 1/4 plus 3 over 4. Okay, so take a look at this one. Gamit tayo ng pointer. Okay, laser pointer. Okay, so 1/4 plus 3/4. So as you can see, the denominator of the given fraction are similar or the same. Parehas na 4. So simply, if we encounter similar fraction or similar rational expression, we just add the numerator, 1 plus 3, all over, just copy the denominator, 4. Then, simplify. So, 1 plus 3 is 4, all over 4. So, 4 divided by 4, that is equal to 1. Alright? So, I hope you understand. Next, number 2. We have 8 over x plus 3 over x. So, again, take a look at the denominator. They have common denominator. So, what is our rule? Okay, add the numerator. So, we have 8 plus 3. All over, copy the common denominator. What is the common denominator? So, that's simply x. Okay? And then, simplify. So, 8 plus 3, that is 11, all over x. So, these are the steps to add similar rational expression. Number 1, add the numerators. Number 2, copy the common denominator. And number 3, simplify the fraction if possible. O, baka sabihin nyo naman, sir, ang dali naman na example mo. Medyo common monomial lang at saka fraction. So, magbigay tayo ng rational expression. So, with algebra na to. Okay, ayan. So, add. Take a look at the given. 2x minus 8 all over x plus 5. Plus, so take a look at the addition, 4x plus 10 all over x plus 5. Now, these are rational expression with common denominator. So, para siyang may x plus 5 ang denominator. So, what are we going to do? Again, step 1, add the numerators. Tingnan natin. Ayan. So, nilagyan muna natin ng grouping symbol, no? Kasi it is binomial. So, take a look at 2x minus 8 plus, ayan na, we add 4x plus 10. So, we add the numerator. And then, step number 2, just copy the common denominator. Ay, naging isa na lang yung x plus 5. Yes, kasi yan ay common denominator. Now, so after that, what are we going to do? Step number 3, simplify if possible. So, tanggalin na natin yung grouping symbol na 2x minus 8 at saka doon sa 4x plus 10. So, what will happen? Ayan. Take a look at this one. 2x minus 8 plus 4x plus 10. Okay? So, nawala na yung ating grouping symbol. Pagsasama-samahin na natin yan. All over x plus 5. Then, what's next? Ayan. Take a look at this one. 2x plus 4x. So, pinagdikit na natin yung similar terms, no? Yung 2x tsaka yung 4x. And then we have 10 minus 8, yung constant na positive 10 at yung negative 8, medyo pinagdikit na rin natin para mamaya sa ating pagpa-perform ng simplifying, mas madali na. All over x plus 5. Now, so we add 2x plus 4x. So, similar terms, that is 6x. And then 10 minus 8, so that is positive 2. All over x plus 5. So, this will be our final answer. Tingnan nyo mabuti ha. 6x plus 2 all over x plus 5. So, that is the simplified form. Wala na pong pwedeng i-cancel dyan. Okay? So, that is all about addition of rational expression with common denominator. Now, let's proceed to subtraction. Okay. Subtraction of rational expression with common denominator. So, ano kaya ang pagkakaiba ng subtraction sa addition? Tingnan natin. We have here an example. 5 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So, that is equal to 5 minus 2 all over 3. And then 5 minus 2, that is 3 over 3. Simplify, that is equal to 1. O ha, tingnan nyo mabuti yung nangyari. Then later, explain ko yung step. Which is, ayan naman, nakita nyo na sa ating screen. O, next, number 2 example. X over y square minus 3x over y square is equal to, o, tingnan nyo yung nangyari. X minus 3x all over y square. And then what happened to x minus 3x? Take a look at the result. Nagi siyang negative 2x all over y square. Or we can write this as negative 2x all over y square. So ano nga ba yung ginawa natin? What are the steps in subtraction or subtracting rational expression with common denominator? So eto na, babasahin ko para sa inyo. Number 1. Change the sign of the subtrahend or the entire numerator of the second fraction. So, kung mapapansin nyo kanina, yung 2/3, yung 2, positive. Pag lagay natin dito sa solution, lagi na siyang minus 2. Okay? And then, combine like terms. So, kung may pwedeng i-combine natin. Like dito sa x minus 3x. So, similar terms yan or like terms. Kaya siya naging negative 2x. Okay? Sir, bakit po negative 2x? Eh kasi, different yung sign ng x tsaka negative 3x. So, we subtract. At since ang negative 3x has higher absolute value, kaya nagi siyang negative 2x. Okay? And then, copy the common denominator. Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, common lang yung denominator natin. And then, simplify if possible. So, those are the 4 steps in subtraction. Okay? With common denominator tayo, ha? So, let's proceed to an example involving this one. O, di ba? Medyo trinomial, over trinomial. No? So, medyo complicated, pero madali lang yan. No? Madali lang yan. So, tingnan natin step by step. Sundan nyo ako. Okay? So, given x squared minus 2x plus 3 all over x squared plus 7x plus 12 minus x squared minus 4x minus 5 all over x squared plus 7x plus 12. Sir, ang hirap naman yan, guys. Just follow the steps. Okay? So, una natin gawin, we group the numerator. Okay, tingnan nyo yung ginawa ko dito sa numerator. Nilagyan ko ng grouping symbol, no? Yung x squared minus 2x plus 3, and then yung minus sign, and then ginroup ko yung another numerator, which is x squared minus 4x minus 5. So, ganyan, para hindi kayo mahirapan. And then, copy the common denominator. Oh, what's next? Ang sabi, change the sign of the subtrahend or the entire numerator, yung second numerator. So, alin ba yung pangalawang numerator natin dyan? Siyempre, ito. Ayan, yan. Yang x squared minus 4x minus 5. So, ano daw gagawin dyan? We change the sign of the entire, yung lahat ng terms na yon. So, ibig sabihin, kung itong x squared ay positive, gagawin mong negative. Kung itong 4x ay negative, gagawin mo naman siyang positive. And finally, if 5 is negative, you are going to change to positive. Parang ganito, oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Ayan. Oh, tingnan natin to. X squared minus 2x plus 3. Ayan na po, oh, minus x squared. So, kanina positive yan, nagi ng negative x squared. And then, yung negative 4x, nagi na siyang plus 4x. And negative 5, nagi na siyang positive 5. So, we change the sign of the entire second numerator. And just copy the common denominator. Then, what else? Step number 2, combine like terms. kung mapapansin nyo rito, we have here x square and another negative x square. Ang tawag dyan ay like terms. What else? Yung negative 2x at saka yung positive 4x. Like terms din yan. And then the constant positive 3 at positive 5. So, para di kayo mahirapan, pagtabi-tabihin natin. Okay. Take a look at the solution. We have here, okay. Ayan, x square minus x square. Magkatabi yan, ha? Negative 2x plus 4x plus 3 plus 5. So, unahin natin si x square. Guys, that is already canceled out. 0 na yon. Bakit? Kasi the x square minus x square, that is 0. And then, we have here negative 2x plus 4x. O, ayan, magkaiba ng sign. So, isusubtract natin yon. And then 3 plus 5, that is 8. So, tingnan natin ano yung result ng numerator. That is the result, 2x plus 8. Okay? 2x, ito yung nanggaling sa negative 2x plus 4x. Subtraction yan kasi magkaiba ng sign. And then 5 plus 3, that is 8. And then copy the common denominator. So, ayan na yung result after we combine like terms. Then, what's next? Simplify if possible. Now, itong 2x plus 8, at saka si x squared plus 7x plus 12, these are factorable using factoring techniques. Observe, yung 2x plus 8 pwede natin gamitan ng greatest common monomial factor, while yung ating denominator ay pwede natin gamitan naman ng general trinomial. So let us see. Ayan. Take a look at 2x plus 8, naging siyang 2 times x plus 4. Why? Simply because ang common sa 2x and 8, common monomial factor niya is 2. So, ilabas natin yung 2. Ayan yung natira sa loob ng parenthesis, x plus 4. Eh, ano naman yung factor ng ating general trinomial? So, that is x plus 3 and x plus 4. Then, finally, we can apply cancellation. So, alin dyan ang pwede nating i-cancel? Anybody? Very good. Tama. Yung x plus 4 at yung x plus 4 na nasa numerator at nasa denominator. Again, sabi nga nung lesson natin last week, sa simplifying, pag may common binomial, parehas, canceled out. So, anong natira? Siyempre, 2 over x plus 3. So, that is how we subtract with common denominators. Naintindihan kaya? Tingnan natin sa comment box kung naintindihan. Ayan. Okay, so let's proceed. Tuloy na tayo. Sir, paano naman po kapag magkaiba ang denominator? Magkaiba ang denominator. Kasi ang dali lang naman yan, magkaparehas ang denominator. So, tingnan natin. Addition and subtraction of rational expressions with unlike denominator. Guys, pwede nyong i-screenshot yung steps na yan at maisulat sa inyong notebook. No, para guided kayo, para may mare-review kayo in case na magkaroon na tayo ng evaluation, no? So these are the steps on how to add and subtract rational expressions with unlike denominator. Magkaiba ang denominator. So one by one babasahin ko para sa inyo. Number 1, eto na. Determine the LCD. So what is LCD? The least common denominator. At alam ko nung kayo ay elementary days na pag-aralan nyo na ang pagkuha ng least common denominator. Next, number 2, rewrite each fraction as an equivalent. So, after nyo makuha ang LCD, kunin nyo na yung equivalent ng fraction na given para magi na siyang similar. Okay? Ibig sabihin, after you get the LCD, get the equivalent, similar na yon. Parehas na yon ng denominator. Then, add or subtract. So, apply na natin yung step na napag-aralan kanina up to simplify the fraction if possible. So, let us have an example. Ayan. Ito, medyo pa-horizontal siya, guys. Okay. Number 1, 7 over x plus 3 over y equals. Tingnan nyo, step 1, ha? Step 1 natin, determine the LCD. So, in this case, ang ating denominator ay x and y. Tingnan natin, paano ma-determine ang LCD natin? Dito sa number 1. Pen na tayo. Ayun na. Okay, tingnan natin. Okay, so sa number 1, ito kung paano nakuha yung LCD. How to find the LCD in item number 1? 7 over x plus 3 over y. Take a look at this one. Since the denominator of the given rational expression are x and y, we just combine since they do not have common factor. So, ito yung nasa box, tinan nyo. Ang factor ng x is simply x or 1 times x. And then, ang factor ng y is simply y or 1 times y. So, how to get the LCD? Just multiply. Bring down x, bring down y, combine xy. That is the LCD. So, balik na tayo doon sa ating problem 1. Again, the LCD is xy. So, eto na, si xy. Now, let's proceed to step number 2. Ano ang equivalent fraction ni 7 over x plus 3 over y after we get the LCD? So, kung natatandaan nyo pa nung elementary kayo, no? So, denominator, LCD, xy. Xy divided by x, dito tayo sa ating first term. So, cancel yung x, may matitirang y. So, yung natirang y, itatimes mo sa numerator. So, that is 7y. Eto na ngayon yon, 7y. So, ang equivalent fraction ni 7 over x ay 7y over xy. Aha, sana nasusundan nyo ako, ha? Plus, dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. Again, our LCD is xy divided by y. So, cancel naman ang y, may natirang x. Itatimes mo naman ngayon sa 3. So, 3 times yung natirang x, the result is 3x. Therefore, the equivalent fraction of 7 over x plus 3 over y is 7y over xy plus 3x over xy. Ito na ang kanyang equivalent fraction. So, anong napansin nyo? Diba parehas na sila ngayon ng denominator, which is xy? Very good, tama. So, since parehas na sila ng denominator, pwede na nating i-apply yung step kanina with common denominator. So, paano yon? Add the numerator. So, 7x plus 7y plus 3x all over, copy the common denominator. So, that is xy. So, 7y plus 3x over xy. And then, simplify if possible. Tanong, pwede pa bang i-simplify ito? Hindi na. Bakit? Wala na silang common factor. No? Hindi naman pwedeng i-cancel yung x dito tsaka yung y sa baba at tsaka doon sa numerator kasi they are not common binomial. So, this is already in simplified form. So, the answer is 7y plus 3x all over xy. Okay? I hope you understand example number 1. Let's proceed to example number 2. Okay? Again, pwede nyo siyang i-screenshot para may example kayo. Walang problema. Yan ay para maintindihan yung step-by-step procedure. Okay? So, example number 2. 3 over x minus 2 over x squared. So, ano kaya yung LCD natin dito? So, the LCD is x squared. Tanong, paano nakuha si x squared? So, tingnan natin. Ayan. Ito tayo sa number 2. 3 over x minus 2 over x squared. So, since the denominator of the given rational expressions are x and x squared, we can use prime factorization to get the LCD. Ayan. So, how? Eto. I-factored out natin yung bawat denominator. Unahin natin si x. So, ang factor ni x is simply x or 1 times x. Ayan, ito yon x. And then, ang factor ni x squared is x times x. So, kung mapapansin nyo, yung isang x ay nakatapat dun sa nasa taas na x. Because they are common. Pag common, pagtatapatin nyo. Then, bring down all the factors. So, bring down all the factors. We have, ayan, x times x or x squared. So, that is our LCD. So, x times x or x squared. Okay? Then, what is the equivalent fraction? So, unahin natin si 3x. So, write the LCD, x squared, divided by x, may natirang isang x, times 3. Okay, so times 3. So, times 3, that will be equal to 3x. Ayan, ito yon. Minus, ito na, x squared divided by x squared. So, dahil parehas siyang x squared, canceled out. Walang natira. Times 2. So, that is simply 2. Therefore, the equivalent fraction is 3x over x squared minus 2 over x squared. At kung mapapansin nyo, they are now similar. So, rational with common denominator. Then, apply lang natin yung step sa pagsusubtract. Subtract natin ang numerator, 3x minus 2 all over x squared. And then, simplify if possible. At tanong, possible pa bang masimplify si 3x minus 2 and x squared? So, the answer is no. That is already in simplified form. Alright? Okay. So, let us have more example. Okay. So, let us have this one. Ayan, medyo bigyan natin kayo ng talagang rational. No? May algebra talaga. So, number 1, more example. 2 over x minus 4 plus x minus 4 all over x squared minus 16. So, ano ba ang una natin dapat na hinahanap kapag ganyan? Okay, very good. The denominator. Tingnan nyo ang denominator ng first rational expression, x minus 4. So, sulat natin siya dito. And then, x squared minus 16. Okay, sulat natin siya dito sa kabila. Okay, step number 1, determine the LCD. So, kukunin natin ang kanyang prime factors. So, dahil binomial yan, tingnan natin if the binomial is already a prime factor. So, x minus 4, that is already prime. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-factor. While x squared minus 16, pwede natin gamitan ng difference of 2 square. So, anong factor nun? X minus 4 times x plus 4. So, apply lang tayo ng factoring techniques. Then, kung mapapansin nyo, yung x minus 4, magkatapat. Why? Because they are common. Common factor. Then, bring down all the factors. So, x minus 4, isang baba lang yan kasi nga common. And then, x plus 4. Therefore, ang LCD natin ay x minus 4. Ito. Yan ang LCD natin. X minus 4 and x plus 4. Okay? So, let's proceed. Ayan. What will be the equivalent fraction? So, ito yung ating original na given. So, ito yung equivalent niya. Tingnan natin, ano nangyari? Unahin natin si 2 over x minus 4. So, si 2 over x minus 4, sulat muna natin yung kanyang LCD rito sa baba. Ito ha, kita nyo ha, mayroon akong laser na ginagamit. X minus 4, x plus 4. This is the LCD. Divided by x minus 4. So, makakancel ngayon si x minus 4. May natirang x plus 4. Okay? X plus 4 times sa numerator na 2. So, eto ngayon ang kinalabasan niya. Ang numerator na natin ay 2 times x plus 4 all over the LCD. Plus, etong pangalawa. Again, the LCD is x minus 4 times x plus 4. Guys, pag ito'y tinimes nyo, ang lalabas ay x squared minus 16. Ibig sabihin, canceled out na to. Kasi isa lang yan. So, that is equal to 1. Times x minus 4. So, the result will be x minus 4. Kaya, ito lang rin yun. So, now, this will be the equivalent fraction. Ito. Ayan. Binibilugan ko ng laser pointer. Then, dahil parehas na ng denominator, apply na natin yung addition. Okay? So, we have 2 times x plus 4 plus x minus 4. Ito na yun. Pinagsama ko na. All over LCD. X minus 4 times x plus 4. Then, simplify. So, simplify natin. Guys, ito, 2 times x plus 4, itatimes natin yon. So, what will be the result? 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times positive 4, that is positive 8, plus x minus 4, all over LCD. Ayan ha, sana kita nyo yan. Oh. Next. Ayan, pinagdikit ko na ngayon yung similar terms or like terms. 2x plus x, like terms yan, plus 8 minus 4, all over the LCD. Then we combine like terms. Ayan, 2x plus x, that is 3x, and then 8 minus 4 is positive 4. All over x minus 4 times x plus 4. So that will be the final answer. Or pwede nyo ring isimplify yung denominator, which is x squared minus 16. Ayan. So that is how we add rational algebraic expression with different denominators. So, mag-sample tayo ng subtraction. O, mabilis na to. Subtraction na eh. Then, next na natin si Ma'am Alma para sa multiplication and division. So, take a look at the given. X over x plus 5 minus 2 over x minus 3. So, again, ang una nating titingnan, denominator. So, sulat natin sa ating scratch paper, x plus 5. Ang factor niya, x plus 5 din. Prime na yon. And then, x minus 3, ang factor niya, x minus 3 din. Prime na yon. So, dahil walang magkaparehas, just bring down x plus 5 at x minus 3. That is now the LCD. Ayan. O, diba? Napakadali lang pagkuha ng LCD. Basta marunong kayo ng factoring techniques. Next, what will be the equivalent? So, ito yung given natin, yung binibilugan ko. Ano kaya equivalent nitong first rational expression? So, tingnan natin. Unahin natin isulat is the LCD. X plus 5 times x minus 3 divided by x plus 5. Ang technique dyan, guys, hanapin nyo magkaparehas. Yung x plus 5 at x plus 5 magkaparehas sa LCD tsaka doon sa denominator. Cancel mo yon. Ano yung natira? X minus 3. Yung natira na x minus 3 multiply sa numerator which is x. Kaya ang lumabas dito ay x times x minus 3. Yun yun. All over LCD. Minus, tingnan natin itong second term. 2 over x minus 3. So again, write the LCD, x plus 5 times x minus 3 divided by x minus 3. So ano yung common? Sir, x minus 3 po. Ay di i-cancel mo yon. Ano yung natira? Sir, x plus 5. Very good. Ita-times mo sa x plus 5 kay 2. Kaya ito ang lumabas. 2 times x plus 5. Guys, eto na ngayon yung equivalent fraction. Then, ayan na. So, this is now the next step. We will simplify yung x times x minus 3 minus 2 times x plus 5. Yung numerator isi-simplify na natin. So, x times x. Ayan, tuloy-tuloy na natin dito. X times x, x square. X times negative 3, ito yon, negative 3x. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x, and negative 2 times positive 5 is negative 10. All over x plus 5 times x minus 3, the LCD. And then look for similar. Ayan ang similar natin, negative 3x tsaka negative 2x. So pagsamahin, dahil parehas negative, that is negative 5x. So we have here x squared minus 5x minus 10 all over x plus 5 at x minus 3. Guys, remember, itong numerator, hindi na siya factorable. Kaya, this is now the final answer. Or, yung nasa denominator na LCD, pwede mong i-multiply pa. FOIL method. So, the answer will be x squared minus 5x minus 10 all over x squared plus 2x minus 10. Ayan. Ayan. So, that is the end of my session, addition and subtraction of rational expression with common denominators and with different denominators.